Salamat Miss Panganiban at kaugnay po niyan mga kaibigan. Nakausap po ng Star Talk ang nag-iisang anak ni Miss Pilar Pilapil na walang iba kundi si Pia hinggil sa nangyari sa kanyang ina. Humihingi po ng paumanhin si Pia sa kanilang patuloy na pananahimik tungkol sa nangyari at si Miss Pilar Pilapil na raw di umano ang nakiusap na huwag muna silang maglabas ng anumang pahayag. In due time ay magsasalita rin umano sila sa naturang insidente. Nakiusap si Pia na hayaan mo nang makarecover, makapagpagaling ang kanyang butihing ina. Maraming salamat po. At mamaya, sa aming agaw eksena, Paolo Abilino, nag-beg off na sa remake ng Temptation Island. Bakit kaya? Alamin, mamaya po yan. The Script, ready na sa kanilang concert mamaya sa Araneta Coliseum. Pero kahapon po ay nakausap namin dito sa Star Talk, TX. Narito po. Panoorin natin.
To the spot.
If you can, get one because it's going to be something to remember, yeah.
The popular pop rock Irish band The Script is finally in Manila. The three-piece band is responsible for the hits We Cry, Break Even, The Man Who Can't Be Moved, and Talk You Down.
This is our very first time as a band here, yeah, so we're excited about the show that we're doing tomorrow night, yeah. It's first time here, yeah.
Very excited. Can't wait to get out and play for the crowd. Get the reaction. We're very excited.
Danny, Mark, and Glenn are definitely ready for their Pinoy fans, especially Danny, who seems to be the most popular among the girls.
Oh yeah, we're very ready. We've been ready for this now, yeah,
I
for a
want to
long
know
time.
if Manila's ready for the concert. That's what I want to know.
Are you ready?
I want to know if they're going to bring it because we brought it. I think you guys can expect us to leave our hearts on the stage because we're a band that has a lot of passion. We love what we do. We're very honest, and we're a very energetic band, and that's what we're going to do.
The Script is all set for their big show tonight at the Araneta Coliseum. Pack, check!
If you can get a ticket. I don't think there's any left, but if you can, get one because it's going to be something to remember, yeah. I'm inviting everyone down,
Everybody come down.
everyone and their mother. Come on down. It's down at 8 o'clock.
we didn't,
yeah,
8 o'clock.
we hit the stage 8 o'clock, so get there early, yeah.
See you guys later. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. All right. Salamat kapuso.
Kakabit na ng pangalang Ricky Lo ang salitang kredibilidad.
He's always been able to remain on top of what's happening. And I think he's been very successful because he stays relevant and he's always in the know about what's happening.
Sabi nga nila, hindi ka artista kung hindi ka pa nasusulat sa column niya. Kaya kung sa tingin mo sikat ka na, ang tanong, naisulat ka na ba ni Ricky Lo?
Naming beses na. Merong maganda, merong hindi. Madalas naman yung maganda.
Sa dami ng nasulat niya, hindi ko na alam.
Totoo ako pag dinidefend niya ako. Pag dinefend ka ni Ricky Lo, parang, kaya nyo pang salungatin yun. Parang gano'n.
Para sa ilan, kahit nga blind item lang, maisulat lang sila.
Sa palagay niyo po, na-blind item na po kayo?
Oh yeah, of course. Pero tingin ko ako yun.
Sa kanyang panulat, may DPA na tinatawag. Kaya kung artista kang may ginagawang milagro, si DPA niya ang dapat na iwasan mo. Ang tanong, kilala mo ba ang kanyang DPA?
Oh, I don't know. It's not me. I mean,
Sino nga ba yun? Ricky, sino nga ba yun?
Sa showbiz, magsulputan man ang mga bagong sikat at magalisan man ang mga lost. Star Talk TX host and entertainment editor Ricky Lo is here to stay. Happy birthday!
Ricky, happy birthday. Continue to be, reliable, dependable, tsaka entertaining as a journalist. Happy birthday.
well, I just wish you many more years of success and many more years of writing. You have been entertaining so many of us for so many years, and we hope that you continue to do it. Have a happy birthday.
I just want to say thank you for being there, for being supportive. We've been friends for a long time, and I thank you for the great friendship. So, Ricky, happy birthday sa'yo. Ang wish ko sana one day merong magkaroon ng blind item tungkol sa'yo. Hindi, biro lang. Happy birthday, Ricky. God bless you.
Biro mo yung bumati.
Happy birthday! Thank you. Thank you, Leia. Thank you, Alan K.
Yung isa si Lea sa Ilongga. Yung isa si Lea sa Ilongga.
Oo, di ba?
Lea,
Leveling.
Joey, thank you.
Oh,
Thank
ito
you,
pala yung
Lolit.
cake mo.
Wow.
Hoy, pero alam mo, kilala
Happy birthday,
kung sino yung
Ricky.
penetration
birthday.
agent niya.
Kilala niyo ba talaga yung
Ako,
TP?
hindi. Actually, marami yan eh. Para silang NBI.
Ano sabi,
tsaka
pag
FBI.
naisulat ka ni Ricky Lo, artista ka.
Oo.
Pag naisulat ka ni Lolit, katapusan mo na.
Ayun. Parang obituary. Ganon. Oh, anong wish mo?
Ay, happy birthday, Ricky.
Wish, sekreto ka na lang.
Alam ko kung ano yun.
Ano po yun?
Matagpuan niya yung kanyang labo.
Tagal na. Ano ka ba? Oh, eto na. Paki-blow na yung
Okay.
Yay!
Thank you.
Happy birthday!
Oo, at babatin ako ha.
Oo, birthday
Happy
mo eh.
birthday to Raymond Lo, Joy Sevilla, DJ Sevilla, Anita Huli-Huli of Las Navas, Samar, Milet Manangkil of Star, happy birthday, and congratulations to Ferdemar Kim Long, So, son of William and Grace So, cum laude graduate Commerce FEU, and hi to Dennis and Lenny So of London. At sa mga Las Navas,
Dali Concepcion of Pasig City Hall. Thank you.
Thank
Okay.
you,
Birthday
Dr.
wish.
Tibelo, Ruby Cuyuto ng Flawless.
Birthday wish to po. Birthday wish.
Birthday, anong birthday wish?
Birthday
Message for
oh.
Tito
Birthday
Ricky.
nga. Birthday wish.
Sino
business nyo?
Well, ako, simple lang. Happy birthday, Ricky. At sana'y wag nang dumami ang Ricky Lo. Isa ka lang eh. Oo.
Lolit, wag yung malaswa.
Ricky. Lolit.
Wholesome. Holy Week.
Oo nga.
Holy Week.
Sana sa Holy Week. Matagpuan mo na ang labo sa buhol.
Matagal na.
Hindi sa buhay. Love sa buhay. Baka buhay. Bahay ito.
Sa buhol.
Wait, ako talaga. Happy
Sana
birthday.
wish mo sa akin.
Oh, ano?
Ako, sana po marami ka pang maisulat, di ba?
Marami.
Sa'yo?
May sulat.
Nag-advance ako marami.
Gusto mo?
Ako, ay sulat po
Masulat
ako.
yung sikreto
Iba
mo?
ka talaga.
Ay, hindi po, wala po ako
Kita,
sekreto.
ikaw yun.
Tinalo mo
Ay,
lang si
wala akong
Angelica
sekreto.
Jones. Ganyan ka na.
Ikaw daw po, birthday wish mo
Ang
daw
wish
po.
ko, na sana tumagal pa yung Star Talk.
Oo
Para
naman.
dito ako.
Another 50
Another
years.
50 years.
Sana
Tanda
natin
mo na
kayo
nun,
lahat. Okay. O kasi Alisa na lang natira.
Oo. Tanda mo na no, Ricky, ah.
Okay, anyway. Okay, so tuloy-tuloy na tayo. Magbabalik ang Star Talk.
Oo. Happy birthday, Ricky Lo.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Happy birthday din kay Marisa
Flawless.
Flores.
Babalik pa tayo. Hindi ba tapos?
Marisa Flores, ha?
Babati pa
Lan
si Lolit.
Santiago at kay Arlene Tulibas.
Paawat ka naman. Huy.
Nakamatch siya sa'yo.